going to talk today about how to fund your business. My name is Joe from the Credit Veteran Club, coming to you every day to bring you credit information that will give you knowledge, because I believe that everyone and everybody deserves to be equipped with enough information to take them to the next level. Let me start by saying that the number one reason why businesses fail is because of cash flow deficiency or being undercapitalized. Money is the lifeblood of any business. It is therefore important to think through about your financial needs before you pull the trigger and start any business enterprise. Most businesses take 6 to 12 months before they start generating any money of their own or even making profits. If you think you'll start a business today and start making profits tomorrow, this is what we call employee mentality. This is obviously because you've been receiving weekly and bi-weekly checks, and that ain't gonna happen in real business world. Remember, even before the business starts making any profits, you need to eat, and you still need to pay your bills as a business owner. One of the many ways to solve cash flow problems before you start your business is by understanding and educating yourself before about business credit. Let me start by saying something about myself. I failed several times before in the past because I did not understand business credit. Business credit is very different from your personal credit. It is therefore important to differentiate the two, because business credit has bigger credit limits than personal credit. Let's push this a little further. Before personal credit reports, it reports to 3 bureaus, mainly TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And that's how you get your FICO score. The main bureau business credit pulls from is called Downs and Bradstreet, which gives a PEDEX score. In other words, a FICO score in personal credit is equivalent to PEDEX score in business. FICO runs from 350 to 850, while PEDEX runs from 0 to 100. Please pay attention to what I'm just about to say. The quickest way to build your business credit is by fixing your personal credit score to get to at least 750. Lenders will always require a personal guarantee that we call a PG before they lend to your business. In other words, to qualify for large amounts of credit, it is important to address your personal credit. My goal is to help you qualify for large amounts of business credit using your personal credit, personal guarantee. Let nobody lie to you that even with a high PEDEX score, lenders will not look at your personal score. Some of the clients we have helped have obtained as much as 250,000 business credit using their personal PG. My question to you is, what is your personal score? What is your credit score right now? Are you below 750? If you have a score of less than 750, we need to talk. At the Credit Veteran Club, we help aspiring and existing business owners to get to their business funding they deserve. Call us now, 678-528-2569. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe right now. Press the notification bell so that you can receive all our videos. And also remember to give our likes and a thumbs up in order to reach as many people as possible.